Chinese?
Oh my gosh, that's the tiniest little diaper. You are so strong.
Fight. You can fight the nurse.
You can use both hands. You can open the other porthole and it'll be more comfortable. And you want to hold her arm down nice and securely so you get a good reading. Yes, it takes a minute or two. It'll beep 3 times and it'll stop flashing. She's quiet when you don't do stuff like this.
Is this right here? Is that good?
You want to fold the top down so it's not rubbing against the cord.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Other way.
Other way.
That's more important in boys, but girls do it too. They'll pee up their diaper and pee on everything. So besides protecting the cord, it helps contain everything.
Okay. Like that?
Mm-hmm. Can you reach it? So you want to take the wires and put it underneath the little stick.
Depends. I have a primary right now, so if he goes home when he's supposed to be in there, I probably would.
Okay. Yeah. Is that a smile? Maybe just... Yeah. We have a picture of her on ultrasound smiling, a 4D. Pretty girl.
Depends. I have a primary right now, so if he goes home when he's supposed to be in there, I probably would.
Okay. Yeah. Is that a smile? Maybe just... Yeah. We have a picture of her on ultrasound smiling, a 4D.